Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will walk you through how to connect your Google Ads account to your Shopify store, and I am going to break down step by step process using the latest 2025 interface. So by connecting Google Ads to Shopify, you are allowed to do track conversation like purchase, then you are allowed to run performance max or shopping campaigns. Then you will be able to improve ad targeting with Shopify data. So let's get your ads working smarter, not harder. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you just need to understand what you will need throughout the work. So before we start, here is what we need, like a Shopify store, a Google Ads account, also known as Google Ads Manager, then a Google Merchant Center account if you're running shopping ads, then access to your Google Tag Manager or conversation tracking. So let's jump in. So you just need to be install Shopify, like you just need to be create an account on Shopify. So here you can see you will get this kind of an interface when you will be entered to the Shopify store. So this will be your interface. As you can see it, let's go, this one will be your interface. So when you will become to this page, you just need to be click over here, start for free. Once you click over here, then they will give you the options to create an account in here, and you will get 3 days free trial, then 3 months for $1 per month. So it's a great deal for a newbie, so you can go with this one. Once you've done, then you will redirect to this page. It is a call Shopify admin dashboard. Then to connect it the Google and YouTube like ad manager, you just need to go to the Shopify app store. It is a platform where you will get couple of plugins you are allowed to install in your website to make your website further advanced and more engaging for your audience. So I'm going to click on to the setting. Once I click over here, then I will select apps and sales channel. Once I click over here, then I will click on Shopify app store. Once I click over here, then it will redirect us to the new tab where you will get your very first apps for your store. So here you just need to be search a plugin or app that call Google and YouTube. Once you search it, then you just need to be hit the enter, and eventually you will get the best match on the top. Here you can see this is the plugin we are looking for. So when you will find this one, then eventually you just need to be click on install. But before the install, you can read it there, all the necessary things. You can see the reviews, then ensure that this one is for your requirement or it match with your requirement. Just click on install. Once you click over here install, it will follow some process to complete, so you need to be patient while you are doing this job. So again click on install. Sometimes it get problem for the network, so you need to be careful when you are doing your work. Once you're done, here you can see our Google and YouTube will be installed within a second. Just click on install and it will take a while, and here you can see it already been installed. Once installed, you just need to be open the app from your app list. So I'm going to make it pin to navigation bar. So now you will see that we will connect our Google account and see the data here. So here you can see drive sales and reach more customer. This kind of a feature you will get show your products on Google for free, reach even more customer with ads, than manage your products directly through Shopify. You can read more, like Shopify uses this account to manage sync and with Google. So if you want to know further more information, just click on learn more and they will assist you to help throughout the process. So once you're done, you just need to be connect your Google account here. Like inside the Google and YouTube app, you will get connect Google account options. You just need to click on this one, connect Google account. Then you just need to choose the Google account tied to your Google Ads and Merchant Center. Then here you can see we already get on. So I will select this one, then click on continue. Then you just need to be allow all the permission. Here you just need to be select all, then click on again continue. When you allow permission to sync your Shopify product, conversation and audience list, Then next, verify your site with Google and claim the domain. Shopify will guide you through its step automatically. Then you just need to wait a while. Once it's done, then the next step will be connect or create Google Merchant Center. So let's wait a bit. So now you can see that our setup your online store is done, that our task two task has been completed. So now they are telling us to connect our merchant center account. If you have a merchant account, you can go with this one, but if you don't, then you just need to be create a merchant account. This is needed for shopping ads. You just need to be click create or connect merchant account. So we don't have, that's why I will choose this create new. Once I click over here, then here you eventually you can see on merchant number has been added. So here once it's done, it will properly, you will get the options to go ahead like the next step. Let's be patient, and here you can see checking your site claim. So we watched it, and then you will get your next option. Here you can see that check your online requirements. You just now to create an online store, remove your online store password. So if you want to remove your online store password, you just need to be purchased a premium plan. Then you just need to be add and refund policy and terms of service. Then you just need to confirm your added confirm contact information to your online store. Then click on continue. Let me give you a tip that make sure your product titles and description follow Google shopping ad policies always. Then link Google Ads account when you've done all this work. Once the merchant center is connected, you will be asked to link a Google Ads account. Then click connect existing Google Ads account, select your account. Shopify will auto install conversation tracking script. This allows Shopify to track purchase as conversation in Google Ads, so you can measure ROI. Then you just need to enable conversation tracking. Like you just need to go to the setting, then you will get the option for customer tracking or events. Make sure Google conversation tracking is toggled on. You can also use Google Tag Manager for advanced setup. With tracking enabled, you will see purchase, add to carts, page views all reported back in your Google Ads dashboard. Then to make sure everything works perfectly, you just need to be do your test everything. Go to your Google Ads, navigate tools, like here you just need to be search Google Ads, and then you will get eventual result Google Ads get customer sales, and here you just need to be navigate to your tools and setting. Then select conversations and check if purchase so recent data. Use the tag assistant Chrome extension to verify if conversation tags are finishing properly on your store. I hope you understand how easy the process was. Let me give you the bonus if you watch this video till then, that start a Google ad campaign from Shopify. Inside the Google and YouTube app, you can now launch a performance max or smart shopping campaign. Set your daily budget, location and product to promote. Shopify handles the feed targeting and conversation tracking. Let me give you a tip that start small, analyze your result and scale what works. Then let's wrap up the video here, and that's how you are allowed to connect Google Ads to your Shopify store in 2025 with this easy way. If this tutorial helped you, then give it a thumbs up and comment your questions below, and subscribe for more e-commerce and marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.